Hello. So today I'll explain how to change all item price using Excel in Vatrix POS system. So first you need to create an Excel sheet with item code and selling price. So first column as item code and second column as selling price, as you can see, and click on save button. Okay. Now open the Vatrix POS system. Now go to admin, click on settings and check the price list box here if it's unchecked, and click on select the customer option. Now go to sales, click on price list, click on PL general here, and with the help of keyboard you can press delete button. Now you can click on yes if you want to delete the old price. Okay. Now you can go to file option and click on bulk item code from Excel if you are using the item code, and if you are using a barcode you can click on bulk barcode from Excel. So now I am clicking on bulk item code from Excel here. Now navigate to the location where the file is saved. So here I am selecting the file and click on open. Now click on OK, and now you can see the new price list has been updated here. Okay. Now click on save. So this new price list has been saved successfully in Vatrix POS system. Okay. Thank you.